What's going on, guys? Trey May 10 here, and this video is a kind of sad video but also a happy video because I'm considering selling the mini bike. We've put the stage 1 kit on it and it's awesome, but it's loud, and one of the neighbors has been calling the cops when we like to ride it around. And so I'd rather not deal with that and get something else that's street legal like the Honda Elite here. But I figured I'd do a final ride video and get some little clips. So hope you enjoy.